Greethink. Who's that Greethink?
你刚才是不是给我们那个同事张小姐打电话？
Yeah.
给她打电话是吧？
对。哦，Greethink。
啊
Greethink。这种。
对，我对Vincent Yang。
You?
I'm not Vincent Yang.
So who is?
You want to speak to Vincent Yang?
Yeah. We are recording now.
要找Vincent Yang。
你们外贸直播是谁负责？
是我这边对接的。
好。OK。
对，是。
Miss Lee, Winnie. Your English name is Miss Lee. Winnie.
Yeah.
对。
OK.
就是他这边，我是负责对接，是他这边录制的。
OK. Sorry.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you. Yeah, I'm Helen. Yeah.
I'm Ray.
Yeah, Ray. Yeah. Sorry, this is your speaker.
Yeah.
Your speaker. You hold your speaker.
Okay. I hold the microphone.
Yeah,
Okay.
you hold the microphone.
Yeah.
You can have some product introduced for your.
Actually, this is probably the only exhibition we're going to attend in the next 2 years, I guess.
Yeah, last 2 years. So
Yeah.
we need to cherish this opportunity.
For sure. And for this exhibition, we launched 2 brand new products, which is this wall. This is our Neon Flex, which is a 4-in-1 multifunctional wall washer.
Wall washer.
Yeah,
can be curved and then the line sharp is.
Yeah, we have 2 bending angles. One is horizontal, the other one is vertical. You can just bend them to the designer's requirement, to the different angles to create the different shapes and lighting effect. And we have another one, which is a revolutionary product, which is full black neon. When it's off, you can see just the perfect fitting to the black background. And then when you turn it on, you can just see the lighting effect, which can perfectly fit in the modern design atmosphere, something like that. Yeah. To give you a
Very
hint.
small.
Yeah, pretty narrow, and we just install the lighting LED strips inside of the neon covers, and it seems to fit in the perfect amendment to the modern design. How many time do we got?
How many? 10 minutes.
10 minutes. Okay.
Yeah.
And you can see the lighting effect with the big circle angle, and installed with our neon aura, which is the same product as this one, but different angles.
Oh, that's great. Different angles.
Through the various shapes, you can see the shades of the light.
Very smaller, like this thing. Yeah.
This is actually a patented product.
Also has the patent.
We already applied the international patent.
Great.
And for the next, we want to introduce our smart controlling system. And this is the ERP session. Now the Europe Union is pushing the new ERP directive.
Yes.
So all the lighting products need to be ERP compliant. So we have a full product line of the ERP compliant products. The ERP focus on the energy efficiency, so it's need the manufacturer to focus more the compactivity of the LEDs and SMDs.
How many watt this one? Oh.
This one is 140 LEDs per meter.
Very bright.
Yeah.
The power factor is very.
It's kind of bright. Yeah. It's the color temperature is 4000 K and with 80 CRI. Yeah.
It can be dimmable.
I'm sorry?
It can be dimmable.
Yeah. Only if you connect to the dimmable controller.
Very smaller.
Yeah, but the ERP only focuses on the white light. RGB is an exception. And now we at the section of our smart controlling system. Our products mainly are the LED strips and the neon flags are all compatible with the prevailing controlling system standards, such as the Zigbee. Yeah, and the infrared and the Bluetooth. And also it's compatible with the Wi-Fi controlling system. With those smart controlling systems, you can easily remote control all the devices, especially the LED strips or neon flags from far distance.
And normally this product is for the...
Yeah, this is our retailing pack.
Oh, retailing pack.
Yeah, we have a complete solution for... actually, we have supplied them to the reputed retailers around Europe and the USA. So the...
Directly to the European...
Yeah,
country.
like the retailers like Walmart and Homebach in Europe. They have the requirement for this kind of products, and they have demands. So we directly export those kind of retail packs to them, and through their retailing channel, they resell them to their end users.
Oh.
Yeah.
Can we open it?
Yeah, it's empty.
Okay.
It's just for...
Oh, very good.
Yeah.
Thank you.
It's ready to go pack. You have the charger, the remote control, and the LED strips inside the bag. Let me open it.
Very easy to assemble. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
We have applied the IP, this is pure coating, onto the LED strip to create the certain level of protection. So it could be used and installed into some, in the kitchen.
In the kitchen?
Yeah, we should have a lot of moisture and water sprinkling, something like that. It's perfectly prevent any damage to the LED strips themselves and to the human body.
And normally for this product, how many years your warranty?
5 years.
5 years, oh great, yeah.
And back to this panel, and our name is Dilux, and now we have more than 20 years experience of manufacturing the LED strips and related products, and located in Shenzhen, Guangdong province. And we have a strong R&D capability of developing a lot of new products.
Yeah, one foreign customers and Greethink booth, the dealers.
And let's go back to to see our popular hot sellers.
Yeah, I can see many new products there. Yeah, very beautiful from outside. Just now I talked to...
Actually, technically, they're not new products. They're just some of our hot sellers.
Hot sellers,
Yeah.
oh, okay.
Just the regular stuff. And you can see the RGB and the ultra long dimmable, and also some regular LED strips with different SMDs, such as the 2016 and 5050.
Oh, very good style.
Yeah.
Lighting 8.
High density and customable CRI index.
Customable. And normally the Lighting 8 CRI is used for which area?
Those kind of products could be applied to, like, the indoor applications, such as you can install them to your under the cabinets.
A cabinet.
Also, you can install them into the ceilings.
Ceilings.
Yeah, so you can provide some kind of wall washing product effect.
Wall washer, to wall washer the picture, something like this.
Yeah, something like that. All of these are customers. We can always help our customer to do a different customization because we manufacture our own SMD.
Yeah.
That enable us to a high level of customization.
Yeah, we can see from your Tureview, we know that you have more than 2,000 models of LED strip lights.
Yeah.
So
we have more than 2,000
many models
specific
for
items.
the dealers. Yeah. Okay. May I have your name, Carl?
1 sec.
Yeah. Yeah, and we need, and we take a picture here, and then if everyone leaves some quotation and information, we can contact Wayne, this handsome guy. Okay. Okay. Hello, sir. 太吵，帮我叫住他可以吗？你过去帮我叫住他，可以啊。当然你过去叫住他，我拍一个图片，你跟他说 hello， 打声招呼就行了。Okay, thank you very much.
好，谢谢。
Yeah, thank you.
来，欢迎你。
Yeah, have a good business. Yeah, to maybe I don't know, maybe next year how the situation like this. Yeah. So cherish every time and we show our products.
For sure.
Yeah. Okay.